Here I have HTC One M9E, and today I'm going to show you how to insert SIM card and SD card into this device. So for this operation you will need this kind of tool to eject the SIM card and SD card slot, which is located right here. Just put the tool inside the hole next to the slot will come out, and here you have to put your wait a second. Okay, you have two different slots. So at this side you have a slot for SD card, which is unusual. So here you have to put your SD card just like this, and then put it back into your device. Like this. And on the other side you have another slot, which you can open the same way. And here you can insert your SIM card, just like this, and then put it back into your device. And as you can see, it immediately requires PIN code to my SIM card, which is the proof that SIM card found. So let's just enter it. And there must be a notification that SD card found too. But there's unfortunately no notification about the SD card. But I'm just going to go to the memory section for storage, something like that. And here you can find that I now have my SD card, which is called Android, but as you can see I have an options like to format, to encrypt SD card content. So this is basically just an SD card. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.